Dr. Peter Capizzi of Capizzi MD, located in Charlotte, North Carolina. We do a lot of breast implants, and I've done a lot of breast implants over the last 20 years. That is a primary focus of our practice. One glad thing I'd like to tell everyone about is the new Platinum 20 warranty from Sientra. And I've got my little cheat sheet here, Platinum 20 warranty. It is free lifetime replacement of the implant if it's deflated. It is also covered up for $2,000 for an uncovered surgical fees due to capsular contracture. Some patients have a late forming seroma or double capsule are also eligible for coverage for testing of ALCL. Any shape and size of the implant can be chosen, and a contralateral or another breast implant can be placed in the other side as well. This is now the standard and the new standard for warranty of breast implant manufacturers.